Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican singer Danique is venturing into the world of costume design. For the upcoming Barbados crop-over season, Danique has been added to the list of designers for a new brand called Capri Culture. Danique recently spoke with E-Prime to give us details.
I was one of the designers for Jamaica International this year. My costume modesty did extremely well, so I'm so excited about that. And now I'm actually designing with a brand new section in crop over for Capri Culture. So shout out to the whole Bayesian team.
Unlike traditional designs, which feature warm or neon colors and sparkling jewels, the base of Danique's designs are army green, while the feathers are streaked with a fiery orange and hints of black. Capri Culture's theme is anti, and Danique's section is called Rebellion.
It's an exciting year. Right now, I don't have a manager. I'm just doing my own thing, and I really just had to take a step back and get back into the zone and figure out what is it that you really want to do, because I think getting in touch with self is so important, and I felt like there was a big disconnect with myself artistically and my soul. So on that journey now, and I'm so ready. I've been working with some great producers. Whew, you guys are gonna be blown away by these ones, I promise.
Dancehall DJ Popcorn has landed a role in the upcoming Netflix sequel, The Intent 2. Popcorn plays a notorious crime boss named Soursop, who runs the underworld in Kingston, and his portion of the film was shot right here in Jamaica. Popcorn previously appeared in rapper Drake's 2016 short film Please Forgive Me, where he played Drake's right-hand man. The Intent 2 is set to premiere on Netflix this summer. Great going, Popcorn. Pop star Rihanna has confirmed that her next album will be reggae music. The singer said it was too early to list all her collaborations, but mentioned that one influence is likely Super Dupes, an accomplished reggae producer known for working with dancehall icons like Beanie Man, Sean Paul, and Elephant Man. This new album is a follow-up to Rihanna's last album, Anti, which was released back in 2016. There is no release date set for Rihanna's 9th studio album. Iconic R&B singer Lauryn Hill delivered a powerful performance at Kaya Fest in San Bernardino, California last week. Fans were out in their numbers to celebrate the 40th anniversary of Bob Marley's Kaya album and were treated to Miss Hill's potent melodies. Miss Hill kicked off her performance with her hit track Final Hour from the 1998 album The Miss Education of Lauryn Hill. Her upcoming Miss Education World Tour is expected to run through to October and will celebrate the album's 20th anniversary. Lauryn Hill's performance at Kaya Fest topped a weekend that included a legendary acoustic performance by the Marley brothers, Damian, Julian Kimarni, and Stephen Marley, in honor of their father, Bob Marley. Panamanian producer El Shambo earned his first entry on the Billboard Hot 100 chart as his viral hit Dame Tu Cosita debuted at number 81. Dame Tu Cosita arrived on the Billboard charts with 10.4 million US streams and 1,000 downloads. The novelty hit currently sits at number 5 on the Hot Latin Songs chart. The song's profile has been boosted by a viral meme dubbed the Dame Tu Cosita Challenge, in which people lip-sync the tune and reenact the dance in its official music video, which represents an animated green alien dancing. As of May 1, the clip has rocketed to 227 million global streams on YouTube. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. And Daedran, have a nice weekend.